In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Windows closes all apps when going standby or sleep. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Then we are going to run this command, the DISM command. So this will be posted in the description box. Just simply copy and paste it. Control C to copy and Control V to paste and hit enter. So the scan will begin and you just need to patiently wait for the process to be done. If you are getting stuck at a certain percentage, patiently wait for that. Okay, you just have to patiently wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once completed, do not forget to restart the Windows. As you can see, this is now starting the process. And do not forget to open the command prompt with administrative rights. Again, type CMD and click on Run as Administrator in order for you to run this command and the command will work. So wait for this to be completed and restart your Windows. The next command that we need to run is the power troubleshooter. So type CMD again, click on Run as Administrator, and copy this command, which will also be posted in the description section of this video. Control V, hit enter. The power troubleshooter will appear. Click on next. That will identify the problems. Follow the on-screen instructions that will give you suggestions and recommendations to fix the issue. So follow its suggestions and recommendations. As you can see, it will give you suggestions to fix the issue. Then for the next method, go to the Windows search bar and type choose a power plan. Click on that. Then you have to click on change plus plan settings that corresponds to your selected plan. Then click on change advanced power settings. Locate sleep. Click on the plus sign symbol. For the hibernate after, make sure this is never. Okay. Make sure that is never for the hibernate after. So again, for the hibernate after, make sure this is set for never for both the on battery and plugged in. Then click on apply and click on OK. After doing so, restart your Windows. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.